Good day guys, welcome to 5 minutes with Faraday. The subject I'll be taking a look at today is mathematics, and the topic is quadratic equation. Now, we have three methods of solving quadratic equation. The first one is the factorization method, the second one is the completely the square method, and the third one is the formula method. I'll be teaching you how to know what formula you are to use, what method you are to use, either factorization, completely the square method, or the formula method. Now, the formula to know is D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. If the value of D is a perfect square, then we have to use the factorization method. Now, what are examples of perfect square? 0, 1, 4, 9, and so on. Now, let's take some examples. Example 1. X squared plus 11x plus 18 is equal to 0. The first thing to do is to label it. A is equal to 1, coefficient of x squared, which is 1. B is equal to the coefficient of x, which is 11. And C is equal to this, 18. Now, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. The value of B is 11. 11 squared minus 4 times A is 1 and C is 18. Now, 11 squared is 121. 4 times 18 is 72. 121 minus 72 gives 49. Now, D is equal to 49. 49 is a perfect square because 7 times 7 is equal to 49. Now, since 49 is a perfect square, the formula to use is factorization method. Now, let's take the second example. 4x squared plus 11x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, let's label it. The value of A is the coefficient of x squared, which is 4. The value of B is the coefficient of x, which is 11. And the value of C is 2. Now, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. The value of B is 11. 11 squared minus 4 times the value of A is 4 and the value of C is 2. Now, 11 squared is 121 minus 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Now, 121 minus 32 gives 89. Now, 89 is not a perfect square. Therefore, we can't use factorization method to solve it. We can only use either completely the square method or the formula method. Now, the third example. 5x squared minus 26x plus 24 is equal to 0. The value of A is 5. Now, minus 26 squared gives 676. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 24 is 480. 676 minus 480 is 196. Therefore, D is equal to 196. Now, 196 is a perfect square because 14 times 14 is equal to 196. Therefore, we can use factorization method to solve this equation. Now, let's take the last example. Example 4. We have 4x squared plus 7x is equal to 9. Now, we have to rearrange this. That will be 4x squared plus 7x. This is plus 9. When it's crossed, it changes to minus 9. Minus 9 is equal to 0. Now, A is equal to 4. B is equal to 7. And C is equal to minus 9. Now, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. The value of B is 7. 7 squared minus 4 times A is 4. And C is times minus 9. Now, 7 squared is 49. Minus times minus is plus. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 9 gives 146. Now, 146 plus 49 gives 195. Therefore, D is equal to 195. 195 is not a perfect square. Now, we can't use factorization method to solve it. We can only use either completely the square method or the formula method. Now, guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe so as to get notified when I post another video. Thank you.